Salutations and welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Saifa's channel. Today we got PachyRhinosauruses. We got the original from Jurassic World, a custom paint. They're both actually the same. This is just a custom paint right here. It is inspired from the classic. I don't even know. I don't have that. I just saw it online, but I copied the color. So there you have it. I don't know what you guys think. Did I get it or not? And this is the original color right here. There you go. It's pretty much exactly the same. There you go. And we have the beast of the Mesozoic PachyRhinosaurus today. It's huge, guys. Here he is. It's way bigger than Mattel's version. Look at that. It's a big guy. We're gonna open it. We are going to unbox it. Okay. So let's check the box. It's bigger than the rest of the Beast of the Mesozoic Ceratopsian series. It's bigger than the Iosaurus, Ceratops. I don't remember what else I have. The Ceratops. Yep, it's way bigger than them. So this is a really big box. It has a nice box. It has 20 points of articulation. Profile card included. Realistic movement and detail. It's an adult collectible toy. It's from ages 15 and up. Definitely not for children. Yep, there you go. It's really, the details, the quality really looks good. Look at the eye in that. Look at that. It seems kind of dark today. So let's check the box. It's Lacoste tie. I don't know what that is. It could be the guy who made it, the artist who did this. And there's a new variant coming out next year. I think it will be the same model, just a different paint job though, better color. But this color ain't bad, so let's check it out. Let's open it up, okay? Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let's check the box. So we have a Wendy Ceratops. I'm not interested in this because Mattel doesn't have it yet. And I don't know how to pronounce this. What is this? Spicy Puce? I don't know. We're not getting that. Centrosaurus, we're not getting that. An Iosaurus, yeah, I have this morning. I just got it at the mail. UPS just delivered it. Ceratops. This was actually my first beast of the Mesozoic. We got the PachyRhinosaurus here. This is what we have right now. Ceratops just came in this morning. Yep, we have that. Ceratops. Yep, we are definitely getting this too. So yep, this is it for the box. All right, let's go check it out. Let's check here first. Okay, here we go. Yeah. All right, so it comes with a card right there. Here's the trading card. Let's pull out the toy itself. All right, it's right here, but let's check the box first. It has a nice background there. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. That's a nice background. Whoever did this. Okay. Now here's our guy. Whoa. Looks. So this is definitely worth the money right here. Alright, let's pull out the tail. Okay, we got him. A lot of wires in here. To pull it out. Okay, it's a lot of wires. Alright, got the wire out. Here he is. We'll put the tail in. Alright, so here's the ball. Let's try to put it in. Alright guys, here he is. I had a hard time putting on the tail. I had to use a blower. But yeah, let's check the face first. The mouth, I don't think it opens. Oh, it does open up. So just like that though. Okay. Look at the face in this guy. Look at this guy. Look at the size of this guy. And there's the tail. The belly has a mint green in it. You can see him on front. Look at that. Okay, look at his girth right there. The tails. Now let's compare to Mattel's PACHYRHINOSAURus. Let's make a box. It's a big guy. Let's compare to the original. See? So it dwarfs the Mattel version. Look at that. You see the face? It has this bump on its nose. 2 horns over there. They got it right over here. The horns. It has longer horns compared to Mattel's. Mattel is like curvier. You got that little spike on its cheek. Okay. So let's try to move its legs. So yeah, look at that. It has a very good painting in it. Very impressive. So far, this is my favorite of Ceratopsian now. But let's see about the Enoiosaurus and the Avaceratops and the Protoceratops I have there. I got it this morning. Kudos to my wife who brought me a little Protoceratops. Thank you, baby. There you go. Mint color. I'm loving it. So I can't wait for next year's the next variant for this guy. It has like a dark yellowish in it now. Well, definitely I'm getting that. So we'll have 4 PACHYRHINOSAURus now. So let's put this guy in the middle. So there you go. There you have it. Yep, there you go. Our PACHYRHINOSAURus says, thanks again, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. We're going to do a epic evolution, guys. Next video will be an epic evolution. So it should be great. A new epic evolution. Yep. There you go. I'm loving it. It looks so good. It goes to our collection. Whew. It's so worth it. It's pretty heavy, guys. It has a weight. This is like, I would say 7 pounds. Wow. Alright. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Bye.